Welcome to the how-to page on the Touch and Hold website. Today I'm going to show you how to install your new door closer. Here are the tools you'll need: an electric hand drill with a Phillips head attachment, a pencil, a 1/8 drill bit, and a screwdriver. For a single kit, make sure you have these items: a touch and hold door closer, a jam bracket, door bracket, hardware pack, small spacer, and installation instructions. Dual kits contain a touch and hold with a button, touch and hold without a button, 2 jam brackets, 2 door brackets, a long and short spacer, a hardware kit, and installation instructions. The first step is to install the jam bracket. Find the small positioning tab on the front of the bracket and place it so that it's butting up against the hinge rail of your door. Then with your pencil, mark the 4 holes, making sure not to move the bracket. Remove the bracket and with your 1/8 inch drill bit, drill 4 pilot holes on your marks. Now attach the jam bracket using the 4 1.5 inch long screws located in your hardware pack. Next, making sure that the arrow on the door bracket is pointing back towards the jam bracket, attach it to the outer hole of the closer using the long pin provided in your hardware pack. Then, using the short pin, connect the door closer rod to your jam bracket. Attach the small yellow spacer. Now, with your door closed, make sure that the door closer is level and mark the hole on the door bracket. Swing the closer out of the way, and with your 1/8 drill bit, pre-drill the hole. Remember, only drill through the first wall of the door. Using the 5/8 inch screw, attach the door bracket to the door. Remove the pin and swing the closer out of the way. Pre-drill the second door bracket hole. Then attach the other small screw. Reattach the closer to the door bracket and place the small rubber O-ring on the underside of the pin. Final step, remove the little yellow spacer, throw it away, and you just installed yourself a door closer. For full view doors requiring 2 closers, stay tuned and I'll show you how to install the top one. The second closer is pretty much the same as the first, but the positioning tab up against the hinge rail and mark the holes. Pre-drill the holes using a 1/8 drill bit. Attach the jam bracket using the long screws. Now attach the door bracket to the closer, making sure the arrow is pointing back towards the jam bracket. Then use the short pin to connect the closer to the jam bracket, and place the longer yellow spacer on the rod. Mark the hole on the door bracket. Now pre-drill the hole and attach the door bracket using the smaller screw. Remove the closer and drill the second hole. Attach the other short screw and reattach the door closer. You may have to open the door and pull on the cylinder to get the pin in place. Finally, place a small rubber O-ring on the underside of the pin. And that's it. It's just that easy. And just in time for the storm. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos if you need further help.